Where is the oil stick? Dipstick, where is it? How do you check the engine level in this car? I'm perplexed. How do you do that? There is nothing here. I mean, you can look everywhere. There is no oil dipstick. How do you check it? Well, guess what? You got to go inside the car, run the car for probably 5-7 minutes, make sure the engine is hot, access the computer, and figure it out. Keep tuned, and we'll show you how to do it. Let's start the car. I got an engine oil, oil warning light, and my E93 BMW M3 does not have an oil dipstick. So you have to look it up or check it on the dash how much oil the car has. In order to do that, the car has to be running for a while. And as you can see, the little clock right now, see it moving, it's reading the engine level in the car. And if you go to the screen, it's doing the same thing. Measuring engine oil. The car been idling now for several minutes and it's still not done. At about 500, 600 RPMs, give or take. Still thinking. I wonder how much oil I'm missing. Folks, there you have it. It's telling me that I need 1 quart of oil. I'm gonna have to change the oil anyway. And if you go to the next screen, it tells us the same thing. Engine oil level at a minimum. Please add 1 quart of oil. Wow. Okay. After running for almost 10 minutes, being close to 200 degrees, the oil is telling me that I need 1 quart of oil. Wow. All right. Fair enough. I'm gonna buy oil. Probably change it instead of just adding 1 quart, just replace it. There's the light that I get when I shut it off, telling me that there's something wrong with the oil level. And there is. I need to add 1 quart. Listen to that engine. I guess you don't like it. Should I pop that? Should I pop?
No. I'm just trying to do a quick soundbite so I can transition into your dashboard.
All right. Turn it on again. Turn it off.
No, that's...
I can pop the roof if you want.
No.